There are some kinds of foods that I found myself cooking just because I am missing my mom. Oh, may her beautiful soul find rest and rest in peace, Mama. And today I am cooking the cow tongue, which is one of the meats that she used to love making, especially on Christmas Eve when she'll just make it and you'll just snack on it throughout the night and we are chatting as a family as everybody has come down from wherever they are, wherever they work, and she will just make it, you know. Yeah, but I used to watch when she was cooking it. Of course, like any other meat, you can never overemphasize cleaning of the meat before you cook it. So at first I washed the tongue and I am now making the water or sauce where I'm actually going to soak my tongue for a couple of minutes. For this, I needed sea salt, I needed oyster sauce, 2 spoons of oyster sauce, I needed
You're
um,
welcome.
a Knorrox cube chili beef for that matter, or 2 bay leaves, 1 big onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. I am going to use this water to soak the cow tongue on it just 2 hours or 1 or 2 hours, depending how much time you have in your hand. You know, excuse me. If you like, you can prepare this water for overnight. Soak the cow tongue in there, and then you cook it in the morning. If you're in a hurry, you can just soak it maybe 30 minutes or an hour or two before you cook it, and then you slow cook your cow tongue. Well, if you don't know who am I, my name is Zandi. The surname is Mfega. Welcome to this Food Gazem channel where we all do things that has got to do anything with food. We eat, we cook, we share recipes, we do restaurant reviews. At the moment, the channel is still growing. Once it reaches 1K subscribers, I will do more. But right now, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, like the channel, share your comments, and tell me, how do you normally make your cow tongue? Have you ever cooked it? If you have, if you haven't, how? Okay, if you haven't, here's the recipe. If you have cooked it before, share with us, how have you cooked your cow tongue before? So as you can see, now my marinade, let us call it a marinade, that water is ready, which I'm going to use to cook the cow tongue. So you can see I've just put the cow tongue in the pot along with that marinade. All right, so I'm gonna soak it for some time so that it can actually, the tongue can actually absorb the juice that comes with it. Obviously, because the water is cold, that Knorrox cube will not melt, but it will only melt when you cook it. So there you go. I have cooked the tongue. I've boiled it, and now it's done. It's soft, and what I'm doing, I am removing that hard skin on top because you cannot eat that. We only eat the inner part, and the only way to do this, the best way to do it, it's when it's cooked. Other people are able to carve that skin out when it's still raw, but I prefer to remove it when it's done because it removes easier and faster, and it just peels off. It just peels off like an onion when you're peeling an onion skin. So why complicate life? And then I have peeled it off. After I've peeled it off, now I'm going to slice it into the portions that I want. So because it's the way it is, it's easier just to just slice it into small slices. And at this point, it's actually done. You can eat it like this, like cold meat, or you can continue to cook it to the way you like it. I continued cooking it, and I slow cooked it and braised it with onion, with garlic, and then I used the water that I had used before to boil it in, as just to top it up to sauce, as a sauce. You see, as you can see now, it's browning and it's slow cooking and it's absorbing all the juice and all the taste and all the sauce, because I used the same water that I had used to soak it in before I cooked it. So that's why it looks like this. Okay, and we enjoyed it with samp and some veggies on the side. That's how the final look it was. Well, try my recipe. Let me know how did it turn out and if you enjoyed it the way I did. And please do share how do you make your cow tongue. Yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching this video and help this community grow by subscribing. Thank you so much. I love you.